Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to break table. We can go to insert menu and we can create new table. Next, if you want to break this table, you can sort like at this column. Go to home and then you can set into no border. Next, you can set again like into the top border and bottom border. So we break this table. You also can move the tables, like I will click from this point, click hold, and then you can move to the bottom a bit. Or you can add more table, you can sort, right click, go to insert, and then click on above or below. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to break table. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.